Today I'm going to give you a brief tour of our facilities. This lab here, which is heating and air conditioning, gives you the concepts of boilers, air conditioning units, heating. All the components need electricity. On this lab here, we go into refrigeration. You guys have to know the concepts of it, the installation, troubleshooting. Again, going back to the electricity, you guys also do touch electricity here as well. Hey, welcome. This is the heating lab. It's part of our HVAC program here. In here, I'm going to show you a lot of components that you've been working with throughout the whole 9 months or 12 months, depending on what you pick on your schedule here at the school. As you can see, it's a lot of models. It's real world experience. Once you're in this program, you'll be covering all these aspects, schematics, motherboards, natural gas lines, things like that. When you get into this side here, you start covering the air conditioning, boilers, residential, commercial, electrical. Again, these are all needed for this field. Now let's go into the refrigeration lab to give you more information about our program. Hey, welcome to the refrigeration lab. So I previously showed you heating and air conditioning. Now let's take a look at the refrigeration aspect of the program. In here, you'll be able to see different components of refrigerators, compressors, electrical, motors. Again, you need to have the basic foundations of electricity to be able to work in this industry. As we come this way, you'll be able to get a better idea of what the classroom will be like. College is college. Like I said before, you cannot get away from the theory, which is the books. Once you get that down, then you do the practical, going into the lab. Again, don't forget that in this program you have two options: going to school in the morning or at night, as little as 9 months or 12 months depending on your schedule. For more information, give us a call or go into our website, or feel free to walk in and anybody in admissions will be more than glad to assist you.